Okay, hi everyone, this is Charanjit Kaur, and after getting so many requests that I should create a presentation or video over the ICD tendency, so I have started my first video. And let me start with my basic introduction. Myself Charanjit Kaur, and I have approx 10 years of experience in the medical coding. Throughout my journey, I have worked in the multiple specialities like the ENM, ED, Hem-Onc, general surgery, ortho, cardio, and so on. And I do have an experience since 2017. I am giving the training for the CPC as well as the CUC. So let's start. Okay, I hope you guys are able to see my screen. Today we will start the introduction of the ICD-10-CM. Before going into the ICD-10-CM, we should know what is the meaning of RCM and why we should use the ICD-10-CM. So, before going into the usage of ICD-10-CM, let's understand the RCM cycle. Okay, RCM cycle stands for Revenue Cycle. Revenue cycle management means there is a particular cycle which helps to get the reimbursement for the services which provider given. RCM cycle works in the US specific. There are other centers also, but we are working for the US and we got the work from the US only. So let's in Hindi. RCM cycle एक ऐसी cycle है जो provider की help करती है to get the reimbursement for the services they have provided. They have provided to the patient. So I have used a word provider. What provider means? Provider means anyone who provided these services. Either it's a services or medical services. Either it's a nurse, either it's a doctor, it's a and whosoever provided the services to the patient. In the US, what happens? Like in India, we are settled in India. When we have to take the services from the doctor, we have went to the doctor, we take the service and go back to the home. We pay at the time of the visit. But in the US, everything is paid by the insurance companies or payer. So I'm mentioning here, you will get to know this terminology when you will into the ICD-10-CM or you will into the medical coding. So payer means insurance who will pay for the services. So now you know there is one provider, one insurance and one patient. Patient is the person who needs the services, who needs the professional services from the patient. Now what RCM cycle do? RCM cycle helps doctor. So we will help the doctor in some sort of patients also. So we help the doctor to get the reimbursement. Now our work starts from the scheduling. RCM cycle, not R. Let's say RCM cycle starts from or the appointment of the patient. So ये तब स्टार्ट हो जाती है, RCM साइकिल का काम तब स्टार्ट हो जाता है जैसे ही पेशेंट अपनी विजिट को शेड्यूल करता है और अपॉइंटमेंट लेता है. आफ्टर फिक्सिंग द अपॉइंटमेंट और आफ्टर getting a schedule for the visit, there is a one team which known as registration or some people known as demographic team. What they will do, they will enter all the details of the patient into the system. So demographic team क्या करती है? Demographic और registration team जो भी patient की information हमें आई होती है at the time of the schedule, or sometimes we have to call to the patient and ask what is your payer insurance ID, what is your insurance address, where we have to mail the claim and everything. So registration team ये सारी डिटेल को लेके आपकी सिस्टम में हॉस्पिटल डेटाबेस में एंटर कर देती है. After entering the data into the database or after register the patient into the database, we have a insurance verification team or eligibility team. इसको हम eligibility team ही कहते हैं. eligibility team क्या करती है? जो डिटेल्स हमारे को पेशेंट की साइड से मिली होती है, इधर इट्स इंश्योरेंस ID, electronic ID or address of the patient and anything. So इंश्योरेंस टीम वेरीफाई करती है इंश्योरेंस से कि वेदर ये आपके अंडर कवर भी है या नहीं. और जो डॉक्टर सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा है, लेट्स से डॉक्टर सर्विस देने जा रहा है हार्नियोग्राफी की, तो जो डॉक्टर सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा है वो इस पेयर के अंडर कवर है भी या नहीं. कहीं ऐसा ना हो डॉक्टर कब सर्विस दे दे और वो पेशेंट कवर. तो उस केस में इंश्योरेंस वेरिफिकेशन टीम हेल्प करती है. So now, after we get a green flag from the insurance verification team that yes, patient is eligible, patient do have the patient does not have any balances with the insurance and patient is eligible for the services which will provide or provider will provide. After getting a green flag from the insurance verification team, provider will go ahead and provide the services. So, at the time of service or at the time of visit, the conversation, the complete conversation getting recorded and we will get the reports after the transcription. So what transcription team will do? They will listen all the reports or all the conversation between the patient and provider and they will transcribe everything into the paper or into the PDFs. So we will get, as a coder, we will get the PDFs to code. So now we are at the coding and charges of CPTs or procedure which will. So let's learn now as in coding or coding team. Now let me go back. Okay. Now let's understand. Just a second. Okay. We were at coding and charge. So as a coder, what is our role? So as a coder, we have to summarize and divide the report into the three major parts. So first we have to read the complete note, we have to abstract the things and we have to divide the report into the three parts. The first part will be diagnosis. Next one, procedures, and the third one, supply. So diagnosis means any issue patient have or the condition which is chiefly responsible for the visit or like anything which any problem, any issues which patient currently have. So if the patient have the fever, fever is a diagnosis. If the patient have an elevated blood pressure is a condition. If the patient have simple vomiting, that's a condition. So diagnosis एक ऐसी चीज होती है जो पेशेंट को होती है. पेशेंट को पेन हो सकता है, that will be a diagnosis. पेशेंट को फीवर हो सकता है, that will be a diagnosis. Anything जो पेशेंट को कंडीशन है उसको हम डायग्नोसिस बोलते हैं. And to represent the diagnosis, we have to utilize the ICD-10-CM codes. हमें ICD-10-CM की CM codes की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है ताकि हम डायग्नोसिस को रिप्रेजेंट कर पाए. Next thing is procedures. Procedure is something which is done by the provider. Let's say patient X-ray was given, X-ray was done by the provider and if the patient is coming for the ECG, so ECG is a procedure. तो कुछ भी ऐसा जो डॉक्टर ने किया है, जो इवन चेकिंग दी फीवर ऑल्सो दैट्स अ प्रोसीजर. सो कुछ भी ऐसा जो डॉक्टर ने किया है, जो डॉक्टर की प्रोफेशनल सर्विस है, उसको हम प्रोसीजर्स कहते हैं. एंड टू कोड द प्रोसीजर वी विल यूटिलाइज CPT कोड्स. हम CPT कोड्स यूज करते हैं सो दैट हम प्रोसीजर्स को सब रिपोर्ट कर पाए. फॉर CPC or COC or let's say outpatient coding, we will utilize procedures or CPT to quote the procedures. For the inpatient coding, we will use ICD-10 PCS to code the procedures. Later on we will learn about the ICD-10 PCS and other aspects of the CPT and ICD also. And at the last, supplies. सप्लाई कुछ ऐसा जो डॉक्टर ने पेशेंट को दिया है, जैसे कि व्हील चेयर हो गया, इंजेक्शन हो गया, इंजेक्शन की जो वायल्स आ गई वो अगर डॉक्टर ने अपनी फार्मेसी से दी है तो वो आपका सप्लाई में आता है, इंसुलिन सप्लाई होता है, कोई भी चीज़ जो डॉक्टर ने परचेज करके पेशेंट को दी है विच इज़ नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल सर्विस विल कम अंडर दी सप्लाई. व्हील चेयर इज वन ऑफ द गुड एग्जाम्पल. सो नाउ सप्लाई के लिए we will use SCPCS code system to represent the supply. जो सप्लाई डॉक्टर ने दी है उसको कोड करेंगे हम SCPCS.